Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what might be the best odor control cat litter on the market. The Fresh Step Simply Unscented Clumping Litter, featuring activated charcoal technology in a 28-pound format. If you're a cat parent looking for a powerful, fragrance-free solution to litter box odor, this product might just be your holy grail. Let's begin with what makes this product truly stand out: activated charcoal technology. Unlike regular litters that rely on heavy scents to mask odors, this one neutralizes them at the source. Activated charcoal works like a sponge at a microscopic level, trapping odor-causing molecules and stopping them from spreading throughout your home. And it's not just hype. This litter offers up to 15 days of guaranteed odor control without any added perfumes or dyes. That means no artificial smells, no irritation for sensitive cats, and no overwhelming fragrance for you. This Fresh Step formula is completely unscented, which makes it ideal for households with multiple cats, allergy sensitivities, or just people who prefer a neutral home environment. The absence of added fragrances is especially important because cats have far more sensitive noses than we do. What smells clean to us can be overpowering or irritating to them. With Fresh Step Simply Unscented, you get a litter that's gentle for your cat, while still being ruthlessly effective against odor. Now let's talk about performance. This is a clumping litter, which means it absorbs liquid on contact and forms tight, solid clumps. That's a big win when it comes to scooping. No more crumbles or half-broken lumps left behind. You get a cleaner box, faster scooping, and less waste overall. It also means your litter box stays fresher for longer, and you won't have to change out the whole box as often, saving time and money. Another highlight is the low-dust formula. If you've used clay-based litters before, you know how frustrating that cloud of dust can be. It gets into the air, onto your floor, even on your furniture. Fresh Step tackles that with a low-dust design that reduces mess during pouring in daily use. This not only keeps your home cleaner, but it's also healthier for both you and your pets. Let's look at packaging and convenience. The 14LB box is easy to carry and pour, and if you go for the 2-pack, you're stocked up for longer. It's manufactured by CLQJJ and distributed by Amazon, with delivery available even internationally, including to places like India. At around $11.69 per box, plus shipping, it's competitively priced, especially considering the premium features it offers. Fresh Step also emphasizes its veterinary recommendation. That's a reassuring sign that the product has been considered with pet health in mind. From its material composition, clay, carbon, and minerals, to its clean performance, it's made to ensure your cat's comfort while simplifying your cleanup routine. And if you're a fan of the Fresh Step brand, you'll be glad to know they offer a wide range of products. From extreme strength formulas to scented variants with Gain or Febreze freshness. But for those who want powerful performance without the perfume, this simply unscented option is their go-to solution. With tight clumping action, activated charcoal for real odor control, and a low-dust, unscented formula that's both gentle and effective, this product earns its place at the top. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you've used this litter or want us to review another pet care essential. See you in the next one.